Welcome to Dr. Vision. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up your Dr. Vision portal account. Let's get started. Navigate to our website. Once you're there, you'll see a bright Get Started button. Click on it to begin your journey. Fill out the form to create your demo account. This will help us tailor your Dr. Vision experience just for you. Check your email for a message from Dr. Vision. Inside, you'll find your temporary password to access your account. Use the temporary password to log into your account. Don't worry, you can change it later for added security. Once logged in, keep an eye out for the blue banner or navigate to the Company Info tab. Select the Dr. Vision plan that best suits your needs. Whether it's our monthly plan or annual plan, we have options tailored just for you. Finally, enter your payment information to complete the process. Congratulations! You're now officially part of the Dr. Vision family.